Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, guys. So today is Thursday. So if we were at preschool, we would be having show and share today. So that is what Kinsley and I are going to do on our video today. But first, we will talk about our question of the day. And our question of the day today is, are monsters real or pretend?
No.
So think about that. Monsters. Real or just pretend? What do you think, Kinsley? Just pretend, yeah. And one of your activities that you can do today, preschool friends, you're going to talk about a litter monster, okay? But just always remember, monsters are just pretend. So let's start with show and share. So today, for show and share, you could, if we were in our classroom, we were either going to bring something that started with U or something that had the recycling symbol on it. And what sound does U make, Kinsley? Or sometimes it also says U. So, Kinsley, do you want to go first or you want me to go first?
Me.
Okay.
I brought a unicorn. It's
okay, hold on. So, unicorn. Does that start with U?
Mm-hmm.
Yep, it makes a U sound. So, what can you tell us, Kinsley?
It's gigantic.
It's gigantic. Yeah, that is a pretty big unicorn. Okay, what can you tell us about it?
And it's squishy.
What is that?
The unicorn horn.
The unicorn horn. Okay.
I put a ponytail in its hair.
Nice. Okay, so my question for you, Kinsley, is where did you get it?
I got it from a game at the fair.
Got it from a game at the fair. Good. All right, can I show mine, Kinsley?
Mm-hmm.
Can you get off my lap for a second?
Yeah.
Okay, I brought this. Does anybody know what this is?
Umbrella.
Umbrella. Does that start with you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Whoa, there we go. So, that's my umbrella. One thing that I can tell you about it is that it's broken right here, but I can still use it. Any questions, Kinsley?
When do you use it in the rain?
Well, you kind of answered the question there. When do I use it in the rain? Well, that's when I use it, in the rain. Do you have a different question?
Is pink your favorite color?
Oh, good question. Is pink my favorite color? It's one of my favorite colors, but my absolute favorite color is purple. But
I know!
but good question. Okay, and I was also just going to show you guys one thing that had the recycling symbol on it. So, hold on a second, Kinsley. Let me find it, and I'll try to point it to the camera. Okay, so it's kind of hard to see. It's right here above my finger. It's that little triangle right there. And in the middle of it, it's the recycling symbol, and then it has a number 2 in the middle of it. So that means this can be recycled. So one thing that I can tell you about this is that Kinsley reused it by making it into art. Okay. Do you have a question for me, Kinsley?
Do you put stuff in there?
Do I put stuff in here? No, I don't put stuff in here, but I think you put stuff in here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so preschool friends, that's all we have for you today. Tomorrow, we'll just do a really quick video, and I'll give some shout outs to some really cool ideas that I've seen in some of your guys' activities this week. And I think that's all. So have a good day. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye, friends.
Bye.